Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. And today's agenda is that how to learn that how we can sort a JSON array in Java. Means if we have this set of JSON objects inside this JSON array with this name and age, how we can sort it based on any of the field given and do our operations. This will be mostly useful in our test automations where we need to validate certain things in certain order, within ascending or descending order. So let's learn how we can actually do it. So, so we will create a function. First of all, let's do this. Let's read this file first of all and see how we can do it. And we'll have this reader class new file reader, and we will actually pass our this file this path actually. I think this is the path. This file. Okay. Then we will have one JSON parser from JSON simple library. JSON parser, and then we will read that file and into a JSON array. We will pass this reader and handle the exception. Okay, and this will cast it. Okay, that's fine. Now let's see if we are able to read that file or not. So okay, now we are reading this file, we are getting that JSON array. Now our job is to sort based on the name. We want to sort this JSON array, right? What we will do, we will create a function here. Stick list, and we'll take this list for JSON object. Okay, fine. Now we'll create this JSON. Import it, Java util package, and then just we'll create we'll have a list of this JSON object. We'll have this array here, and we'll have that key based on which we want to do the filter, the sorting. So we have this collections class in Java where we have this sort method here. If you go into the sort method here, we have this list is there, and this comparator based we can have certain fields, and we can sort our string, our list on an array based on certain fields. We have to provide the condition that okay, on which fields and within ascending or descending order we want to sort that thing. So this we will use this method here. Fine. So we'll have this array first of all, and this comparator, if you go inside here, function interface. Inside this we have this compare method. It has two input parameters, right? So we'll use the lambda expressions and we'll use this method here to do our comparison, and based on that comparison we'll sort our JSON array, right? So we have this first parameter, first JSON object, and second JSON object here, right? And we'll have this. Okay, so this one get, so we'll get the field name here, right? This is the name, that is the field name, and we'll convert into the string here. We can store it in some variable here, right? And same thing we'll do for the second JSON object here, and so this is the second variable, and based on this name, so if you go here, run, we'll compare this Mohan and the Sohan and the Arpit, and we'll do a comparison. This is ascending order, which one comes first. So A Arpit is the alphabet that will come before Mohan, and Mohan will come before Sohan, right? So we have this comparisons v1.compare, so ignore is v2. So this will actually do the comparison. Lexically it will sort, or lexically it will compare these names, and based on which it will order the things, order the names. Okay, fine. And ultimately we will return it this sorted array. Fine. So we have our function ready here. So we just need to have this ready. This is already ready, and we just call this, and our sorted array should be ready, right? Okay, this list is there. It's an object, your array list. Fine. Okay, now we will have this thing 0 JSON array size, and one by one we will keep adding this. We can remove this. We can have something like this. Object. This should all work. So yeah. So one by one we have put that JSON object inside this list. Now we will call this method. Okay, fine. That is fine. Short JSON. We'll have this list ready, and we'll pass the key based on which we want to sort the things here. Okay. For simplicity, we are not passing the right. Now this is our unsorted array. Now we have put the JSON objects inside the JSON array into a list. Now we are calling this method here. We have written to sort the list based on the key, that is name field here. Okay, so let's run this and see if it is actually sorting or not. So see, it has sorted our JSON array based on the field that we have passed here, and the field name is name, and Arpit is alphabetically coming first, and now we have the sorted JSON array. So guys, this was a short video based for the purpose of sorting a JSON array in Java using any JSON simple library. I hope you learned something, and you can implement this thing in your test automation. Yeah, thank you all for watching this, and do give your comments, and if you learned something out of this video. Thank you all. Bye.